Hi, Umar.
Hi.
Hi, welcome. As you have previously consented to the recording, we have started recording this session. Thank you so much for agreeing to do this test session with me. And as previously stated by me, you have opened up the two prototypes, package 1 and package 2, for the accountability partner app. So thank you so much for doing that. In this session, I will ask you to perform a set of tasks on each prototype. And whenever you're ready, we can begin. Shall we begin?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Before we begin, do you have anything that you'd like to tell me?
Yeah. No, there's nothing to say, really.
Okay. Okay. Thanks. So, your first task, Omar, is to view your list of goals.
Yes, I'm able to see those.
So, what do you see, Omar?
I see the tasks.
Okay. Awesome. So your second task is to create a new goal.
I'm going to add another goal.
And what is the action that you did to do that?
I clicked on the plus option.
Okay, you clicked on the plus icon. Perfect. And what do you see now?
I see task name, target date, percentage of completion,
Mm-hmm.
and everything.
Okay.
Let's assume that I filled all this.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm going to save it now.
By clicking the save button, as you point out.
Yes,
Okay.
it is saved.
Okay, perfect. Your next task is, and you're successful in creating a new goal, and your next task is to edit an already existing goal.
So I'm going to choose one of these.
Okay, perfect.
And let's assume that we have edited all this.
Okay.
And I'm saving it.
Okay,
And it is saved.
by clicking on the
Yes.
save button. Okay,
Yeah.
perfect. So we have finished adding a new goal, editing an existing one. So that's great. Now your next task is to view your list of calendar events.
I'm going to click on this icon,
Mm-hmm.
calendar icon.
Okay, perfect.
And I see numbers of a month.
Okay, great. And assuming that this is the current month and we are on the current date for today, and below that you see a dummy set of events. Your next
Yeah.
task would be to create a new calendar event.
Okay. I see this add-on option.
Yeah. And you clicked on it. Okay.
Yes. And I'm going to save it.
What do you see? Okay, you saved it. Um,
Yes.
okay, so you completed the task. So what did you see when you clicked on that plus icon, if you want to do that again? To add a new event.
I can see, of course, the title
Mm-hmm.
and the starts and the ends.
And your meeting location.
Yeah.
And you have another option to invite your accountability partner as well.
Yes.
Okay, so let's go ahead and finish creating this new event.
Yeah.
Tell me what you did. Umar, can you tell me what you just did?
I saved it.
Okay, how did you save it?
by clicking on this option, the save option.
Okay, awesome. Perfect. So we finished creating a new calendar event. Your next task is to edit an existing calendar event.
I'm going to choose one of these.
Perfect. Okay, you chose one and then,
And I edit them
okay,
and I save it.
okay, you saved them. Awesome. So you completed your second task of editing an existing event. So, so do you have any feedback here? Are you comfortable?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Your next task is to chat with your accountability partner or message your accountability partner.
I'm going to click on this icon, the message icon.
Okay, perfect.
I see many options. I can
Mhm.
call the person. I can also video call him.
Okay, perfect. And you
Yes,
what else can you do?
can send him pictures.
Great.
Yeah,
And can you voice note?
yes.
Okay, awesome. Um, and now we have successfully completed the tasks. The next task for you is to view your progress and your awards.
I'm going to click on this option, the statistics option,
Okay, perfect.
and I see all this.
Okay, so what do you see?
See whether I'm on track or not, whether
Mm,
I won the gold medal in my
awesome.
statistics. Hmm.
Okay, and you also see like a graphical chart of like a dummy graphical chart for now.
But it's loading.
Yeah. So perfect. So we have completed all our tasks. So if we go back to our home screen or the list
Yes,
of roles, yeah.
the first icon.
Okay, perfect. And and if you like, okay, just for kicks, if we repeat that action, going back to the home screen. Okay, perfect. So imagining like a notification for something important popped up. How would you your task would be to read and acknowledge that notification.
I'm going to click on it
Okay, great.
and
So
it's done.
acknowledged it. Perfect.
Yes.
Okay, so I think we have completed all our tasks for this for the first prototype. Umar, do you have any feedback?
Yes, this app is wonderful for me. I can I can chat with my accountability partner. I
Mm-hmm.
can I can be comfortable uh, with him. I can
Okay.
also video call him.
Okay, awesome. And you can
It's
create your check-ins with the calendar option. You can be reminded of of your scheduled meetings.
yes,
Okay, and do you like the option of tracking your growth and progress?
yeah, yeah. It really helps me.
Okay, like winning a gold medal. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, I feel good. I feel I've accomplished something.
Okay, awesome. And thank you so much, Umar. So, we will have
And I like this reminder option. You know
yeah,
the that pops up suddenly.
yeah, yeah.
It reminds me, and it's good.
Okay,
Mm,
that's awesome. Um,
mm,
and when you're editing the task, when you say you click on one of the tasks, right? Um,
mm.
so say you click on, so let's click on one of these tasks. So
Yes.
how do you feel about setting your goal with these options?
Let's consider fitness is my task,
Okay.
and I set a particular date for that.
Mm-hmm.
and let's say 2 hours of effort,
Okay.
and its completion.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to choose this option, the high
High
option.
priority. Okay, perfect.
Yes, and I'm going to save it.
You also have an option like in when you if you go back and go to the like the goal again, you have an option to select a goal group. So what that means is that you are able to select long-term goals, short-term goals, and you can classify your goals into different groups. How do you feel
Mm,
about that option? Like for example, fitness is one goal group, right? And within that you have
mm,
different exercises you want to do. And another goal group can be a long term set of goals that you want to accomplish in a year. And another goal group can be your studies. Will that work?
mm. Yeah,
Okay,
it is
perfect.
good.
Okay,
Mm, mm.
great. So, shall we move on to our second prototype?
Yes,
Okay,
this is
okay,
the second.
okay, perfect. So, let's go over the tasks again. So, shall I start?
Yes,
Okay, your first task is to view your list of goals.
I'm able to see them. I see add-on options. I see images also.
Okay, perfect. And your second task is to add a new goal to your list of goals.
I'm going to click on this option, the add goal one.
Okay, perfect.
This appears.
Okay. What do you do next to finish adding your goal?
I fill them, then I
Mm.
create the goal.
Okay, you click on the create goal option. Perfect. And your next task is to edit an existing goal.
I'm going to choose one of these,
Okay,
and
perfect.
let's presume that I've edited them,
Okay,
and I create them now.
okay, perfect. So we've completed the goal related tasks. Now moving
Mm.
on, let's chat with your accountability partner.
I'm going to click on this icon,
Okay,
the second one at the
okay,
bottom.
okay, the chat icon. Perfect. And you see some of the options on the screen. And what are your
Yeah,
thoughts?
they are same as the previous one.
Okay. Are there any considerable noticeable differences that you see, like
Mm,
in position or shape or
yeah, there are certain differences.
okay. Uh, and what are the actions that you think you can do here in this chat icon, chat in the chat option?
Uh, so it is as same as the previous one. So I don't.
Okay, okay, got it. So you can do the same
Yeah,
actions like calling and video calling and chatting
yeah,
or sending a
yeah.
voice note, pictures. Okay,
Mhm.
great. Um, Now, moving on to your next set of tasks, view your calendar events.
I click on this option, the calendar one.
Okay, perfect. And assuming have selected, we are on the current month and we have a current date selected. What do
Yes,
you see?
I see many items,
Mhm.
and
And
the way how it's arranged also is very nice. It's
okay,
more easy
okay, that's
to
great.
understand.
So,
Yeah,
so how would you go about adding another event, adding a new event?
I click on this add-on option,
Awesome. And then what do you
and
see?
then I fill them. I fill
Okay,
the title, the starts and the ends, the location. I live. And
and
I
then
save it.
save it. Okay, awesome. So, and you completed the task. That's great. And your next task is to edit an already existing event.
I'm choosing one of these.
Okay.
Let's presume that we have edited
Okay, awesome.
and then we save it.
Added. Okay.
Okay.
And you clicked on the add button to add it. That's great.
Yes.
So your next task is to view your growth and your progress.
I'm going to click at the last icon, the
Perfect.
statistics one.
Okay. And what do
And
you?
I see the bar chart.
Mm-hmm.
I see different items of
Okay.
statistics, backlog,
Okay.
whether I'm on track or not.
Okay, great.
Hmm.
And to how about we go back to our list of goals?
Yeah. I click on the first
Yeah,
icon.
perfect. And just for kicks, if we repeat that action, uh, imagining a reminder pops up to remind you of a notification or an event or a meeting or a task that you have to complete in 2 hours, how
Hmm.
would you acknowledge it?
I click on this option, acknowledge.
Okay, perfect. Great. So that task is completed too. So we have completed the testing tasks, Omar, for the second prototype as well.
Hmm.
Um, any quick like feedback that comes to your mind?
I think this is more user friendly.
Okay, great. This prototype?
Yeah.
Perfect.
For me personally, I think it
Okay,
is
great.
user friendly.
Okay, awesome. And okay, so we can wrap up the session for now, like stop the recording.
Mhm.
I will have more
Yeah.
debriefing questions for you after this, after the
Okay.
after I finish the session.
Hmm. Yeah.
Okay. So hang on for the debriefing questions. For now, I'll stop the recording and thank you so much for your time, Omar.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'm going ahead and stopping this.